Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. Viewers, if you like my videos, then don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to press subscribe button. As per February 2020 Scorpio horoscope predictions, domestic issues and emotional issues will be of prime importance. This is due to the fact that planetary strength is in the lower half of the horoscope. Professional matters take a back seat for the present. Your emotional stability will not be great, and Scorpio personality will have to make efforts to maintain your balance. The majority of the planets are on the Western Front. This is not the time for autonomy and self-will, as per 2020 horoscope domination has no place. Cooperation and conciliation are necessary to achieve your targets. Mars may make you aggressive, but you have to divert the excess energy to fitness and sports areas. Scorpio love and relationship horoscope. Scorpio compatibility with the spouse is enhanced by Venus this month. Marital life will be highly emotional and at the same time vacillating. You cannot ignore the significance of your spouse in your life. Singles will have many promising opportunities to form love relationships. Venus is forcing you to jump into relationships and Mars is pushing you to take swift decisions. But you are not in a hurry and like to have more fun before committing yourself. You may find love among your colleagues in the working environment. Scorpio family horoscope predictions. February 2020 monthly horoscope predictions for family foretell Virgo personality will have a highly cheerful environment. Senior members are in a good mood and will support your efforts to maintain the family. Mutual understanding will be excellent. Children will have no problem in pursuing their academic careers. They have spare time to engage themselves in sports and similar activities. The financial situation will be under control. Scorpio health predictions. Monthly 2020 horoscope forecasts suggest that health will be delicate till the 18th. After that, there will be a remarkable improvement in your well-being. It makes sense to go slow till that time. You will have a sense of dissatisfaction till the 14th, and you will try to take it out on others. Hence, make attempts to suppress your fiery temper and be diplomatic in your dealings with others. Scorpio career horoscope. 2020 Scorpio horoscope is not optimistic about career prospects. If you have to accomplish your targets, you require the cooperation of your colleagues. However, the office atmosphere will be stifling. In the absence of help from colleagues and contacts, you have to put in an unusual effort to achieve your targets. Travel for official purposes may not be gainful. Scorpio finance horoscope. February astrology 2020 for Scorpio zodiac finances promises plenty of aggression and force while improving income. Income will be booming and unbelievable. You are not afraid of taking calculated risks, and you are supported by the benevolent aspects of planets. There is unlimited confidence and you are prone to take risks to achieve financial goals. It will be prudent to stay away from risky ventures during the Mercury retrograde. Even otherwise, you will have major openings to enhance income enormously. Scorpio education horoscope. 2020 horoscope for Scorpio offers cheer to students on the educational front. Planetary positions will improve your mental aptitude and you are able to excel in your educational career. Students will have no problem in succeeding in their exams. Technical students and those appearing for competitive exams will have to study regularly to succeed in their courses. Scorpio travel horoscope. February 2020 horoscope for Scorpio for travel offers a bleak picture. Professionals and creative people are likely to indulge in wasteful travel. You should avoid travel unless it is absolutely essential. This will save a lot of money and time. There are possibilities for travel abroad and the consequences are questionable.